आता खबर विस्तारान गोंय सरकार व्हेंटिलेटरार आसा आनी हाचे त्रास गोंयच्या जनतेक जाता। गोंयांत साबार प्रश्न सरकार नाशिल्ल्यान हुमकळत आसा। भाजप सरकारान जी आश्वासनां दिल्ली ती पाळपाक तांकां अपेस आयला म्हण गोंय महिला काँग्रेस उलयला। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगेज।
A sad state that the government of Goa is on a ventilator. I would like to repeat this. The government of Goa is on a ventilator. And who is facing the blunt is the people of Goa. The people of Goa do not deserve what they are being. They do not deserve this. They deserve something much better. And whether you talk about mining, whether you talk about women, whether you see 13 months of the government and what has been delivered, I, on behalf of the Mahila Congress, request our friends from the media to please help us and please be there which you all are already doing, to support the cause for women of the nation. Goa is a small state and I feel that every issue of Goa is not only the issue of Goa, it is the issue of India, everything that we face. Now, if you talk about the price rise, pan-India, we are going through a horrible phase. We are women. We know when the rates of gas is increased by $50, by rupees 50, what happens? How difficult it is. On one hand, you have the central government who promises people, but it's like a barter system. This government is more like, you give us something and we give you something, but they take things and they never deliver it. Like, many of us giving up our cylinders, at subsidized rates. How many have got cylinders at subsidized rates?